Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add in a fake camera movement using the AI tool on CapCut. Now this is a pro feature. I have to say that first before you guys start. So it's pretty simple actually. You just need to select the video, then go to camera tracking, then select AI movement, and here you can choose from dynamic, zoom, shake, and soft. Select the AI movement that you want your video to have and just wait for it to apply. Takes longer if your video is a bit longer, so if you want the movement to be applied faster, just select a shorter video for it. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!